Namaskar. Today I am going to tell you about Shukla Paksha Ekadashi of Ashvayuja Masa. This Ekadashi Vrat is called as Papankusha. The story about this Ekadashi Vrat comes in Brahma Vaivarta Purana. Yudhishthira asked Sri Krishna about this Ekadashi Vrat, and Krishna explains him about the importance of this Ekadashi Vrat. Many people have the doubt in their mind, and many have come to me with this doubt that though their horoscope is good, they are not getting good results. Many good yogas are there in my horoscope, but it is not working. In spite of my hard work, I am not getting good result. Why is it so? Why my horoscope is not working? It is because when there are some big doshas in your family, or many big doshas done by your ancestors, your horoscope won't work. Though you have a very good horoscope, you will not get that good result from that horoscope. So what can be done to remove all these doshas? The answer is this Papankusha Ekadashi Vrat. This Ekadashi Vrat is specially meant for such people. Actually, if you have any guilt in your mind that I have done some bad deeds, or I have committed some sins, and you will be affected by it, or your children are going to suffer due to your bad deeds, you people can do this Ekadashi Vrat. This Ekadashi Vrat is considered as the remover of all the negative effects of your bad deeds. That's why it is called as Papankusha. It is the remover of all the negative effects of your bad deeds, your sins. You know that you have done some crime, or you have done some bad things, or you have hurt the feelings. In the same way, your ancestors might have done it, and you are now suffering due to it. For such bad deeds also, not only done by you, but also done by your ancestors, all such negative results can be removed by observing this Ekadashi Vrat. And at the end of this Ekadashi Vrat, you have to do charity. The people who don't have done any charity in their life, and if they have in their mind that I have to do some charity, and in order to remove all my negative effects of my bad deeds, I have to do something, you people can observe this Ekadashi Vrat, because it is really meant for you. After observing this Ekadashi Vrat, at the end of this Ekadashi Vrat, you have to do charity as much as possible. All the people can observe this Ekadashi Vrat, but those who have this guilt feeling, all the people in their life may have done some crimes or some bad deeds in their professional life, in their family life, anywhere. Because we are all human beings, we are not gods. So in a way, at a point of our life, we will do some bad deeds, or sometimes we will in our mind think bad about others. It's also considered as a sin. So if you really want to come out of this guilt feeling, you can observe this Ekadashi Vrata. By observing this Ekadashi Vrata, you are not only removing the negative effect of the bad deeds of you and your ancestors, you are also helping your children. Because once the negative effect of all the sins is removed, the future of your children will be really good. So in a way, you are helping your children also. This is the importance of this Ekadashi Vrata. It is called as Papankusha. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment, and if you want to know more about astrology, want to see more videos on astrology, on vratas and festivals, please press the bell button and subscribe this channel. Namaste.